We're here in this situation, and I think it's a good one because these companies ran their systems as a more of a turnkey solution where it was just a system of record. They closed the books, they moved
Yep.
on to the next month. They had all the data there. The data was either good or bad. They had the customer in there 5 or 10 times or 20 times. Everybody put in different information in different areas per what was best for that person. It wasn't regulated heavily. Now we're here, and actually even a few years before this, additional softwares were bought to fill in gaps and fill in processes that they thought they needed. So now what we're going through, and we're seeing these things that you said there's messes here, the data's not good here. It's kind of a good thing because this shows me as a business owner, like, wow, I kind of let this go in a way that is a little bit the wrong direction. Now I can rein it in. I can fix my processes. I can get the technology that fits, not to fill those processes, but where my processes don't exist. And now I can get my data where it's in better shape, because the real technology hasn't still hit yet, in my opinion. We're on the verge of it, but we haven't really got there. So it's a great time to start your modernization efforts. So with that, we spent years, like I said, talking about these different things, but also about IT and OT as two separate worlds. You were kind of talking a little bit about it, but is AI, and I think it is with what I just said, but is it forcing those worlds to come together?
I agree 100%, Robert. I don't think I've seen as much progress in IT, OT, and sometimes I add ET to the equation, right? The engineering group, right?
Not the movie.
But not the movie. But I've seen this convergence of IT, OT progress more probably in the last 3 or 4 years since this new wave of Gen AI, right, has kind of influenced both audiences. So I think everyone sees the opportunity and there's shared and common interests, but IT needs the data, and the data, right, that they need, a lot of that is trapped on the OT side,